Building the beach today at the compound. Check it out. Tell them what's going on, Christy.
Well, we got a triaxle load of sand to bring back the beach. Look at that. Just in time for Amber's graduation party Saturday. Woohoo! We're all busting our ass out here. I've been cleaning out the shoreline here. I would try and get some on this side.
Yeah.
But this is gonna look really good when it's done. Right, guys? Woo! Another day of Camp Torture, where the fun never ends. And neither does the sweat.
Maybe 2 of those piles.
2 of those piles? Okay. Where should we put them? What do you think?
What do you need?
We got enough 2 of these piles here.
I would put definitely over here.
That'd probably be easier to do by the bucket with the Bobcat, I think. Once he dumps it, I can't move it over there. It's too close to the edge.
All right.
Want to put one right between these two and one right here? That'd be perfect. I think we have more sand than we need here.
Well, that's why I was like, if you can dump a load over here and make it a hell of a lot easier.
The Bobcat can't maneuver on a steep bank where it's deep, it'll fall in.
Right, but that will have to hand shovel. But if you can dump a load and we spread it.
What do you think?
Doesn't that make sense? Thank you. And that's it. Well, can you fit in between there to dump a load and we'll spread it by hand?
Can you pause the video for a second, honey? I think it might be easier to do with the podcast.
Can you touch this phone because I have gloves on?
So we've been working on the pond. As you guys know, if you've been following us, we redid all the masonry work on the rock diving tower and the lifeguard stands and the stairs, and on the other side too. Had the excavator here. We dropped the pond about 4 feet, and we're able to excavate the entire sides of it. We got a new fountain coming in this week. I've been weed whacking and mowing and working on the track up top there. Just trying to get it done. We got a fair amount of work to do over here. We had cut down a bunch of trees and then had the stumping guy come in and cut up all the stumps. We got all the wood chips, and there's our solar power, powers the house. And we got a lot of topsoil over there that we spread out a couple weeks ago in piles. Now we got to spread that out and pull the rocks out because it's not well, it's just raw topsoil. I don't know if you guys follow Tyler Monaghan. He's just bought a 32-acre compound, young buck. I bought this when I was 35. I'm 55 now, so I'll tell you, after you've done this, you had the experience of taking raw woods like that over there, just woods, and turning it into this. Man, it is a project and a half, and it's full of surprises and pitfalls, and everything costs you twice as much and takes you twice as long. As a matter of fact, this pond was dug twice. I dug it when the kids were little, shallow, and then when they got big enough to swim. It's 15 feet deep right off the diving board. That's no easy task. There's 25 acres here that we mow that's been cleared, including the 7-acre wooded plateau. There's 2 tracks. Tracks are all overgrown because the kids moved out, and it's just me here and Christy. So, a guy told me once, a guy that runs a magazine called Pond Boss, he said, "You're better off buying a park than building one." And I have to agree with him. It's a lot of work, ridiculous amount of work, but it's worth it if that's what you want to raise a family here. 20 years, a lot of good memories. Every stone that I dug out, I said, "Hey, let me do something cool with it." We made a stone table over here, stone walls, stone chairs, stone diving towers, stones everywhere. Stone entryway.